Deep dive into relationships, mastering collocations in social and informal settings. Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we'll be exploring collocations in social and informal settings, focusing specifically on the theme of relationships and personal life. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use these collocations in your daily English conversations to sound more fluent and natural. Before diving into specific examples, let's quickly recap what a collocation is. A collocation is a pair or group of words that are often used together. These combinations sound natural to native English speakers. Now, let's jump into our main topic. Let's first tackle collocations that relate to relationships. 1. Serious relationship. This term is used when two people are committed and plan on a long-term future together. For instance, they've been in a serious relationship for 2 years now. 2. On-off relationship. This phrase is used to describe a relationship that frequently ends and starts again. For example, they've had an on-off relationship for several years. 3. Long-distance relationship. This is used when the two people in a relationship are living far from each other. Example: maintaining a long-distance relationship can be quite challenging. Remember, using these collocations can make your English sound more natural and fluent. Now, let's move on to collocations that are often used when talking about personal life. 1. Led a happy life. This phrase is used when someone is enjoying their life. For instance, after moving to the countryside, they've been leading a happy life. 2. Settle down. This is used when someone decides to live a quiet and steady life after a period of moving around or changing jobs often. Example: after years of traveling the world, they decided to settle down and start a family. 3. Turn over a new leaf. This phrase is used when someone decides to change their behavior for the better. Example: after a health scare, he decided to turn over a new leaf and started eating healthier. Using these collocations correctly will definitely boost your English speaking skills and help you sound like a native speaker. And that wraps up our discussion on collocations in social and informal settings, focusing on relationships and personal life. Remember, the more you use these collocations, the more natural they will start to sound. So, try using these phrases in your daily conversations or while writing in English. We hope this video has been helpful and has added new words to your English vocabulary. Stay tuned for more lessons, and until then, keep practicing.